3. So, the spider just is killed by my kitty. And it's still stained, and it's stained right down there. And my daddy just got it off of the wall, and my brother said, I'm a chicken leg, I'm a chicken leg, I'm a chicken leg. And my brother just moved the leg, and he was gonna get it out of the wall, but my Nino just killed it right now. And my brother was touching it and moving back and forth. And he's saying, I'm a chicken leg, I'm a chicken leg, I'm a chicken leg. And I was saying, that's not a chicken leg, that's not a chicken leg. And my daddy just got it off the wall, even over there. And we're over. Bye. See you later.